Huh?
Oh, I've always loved charades. Your turn, Joe.
The category is famous people. Okay, guess who I am?
Ironside.
Larry Flint. Stephen Hawking.
Dr. Strangelove.
Roy Campanella.
Richard Petty. Lance Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong. Stretch Armstrong. Stretch Cunningham. Howard Cunningham. Potsy Weber. Oh, Natalie Wood. Definitely Natalie Wood.
Somebody save him. He can't swim.
Oh, he's not even kicking. Kick, Joe. Kick.
Peter, he's a paraplegic.
That doesn't mean he can't hear. Kick, Joe. Kick.
Somebody help him.
Ah, gay. You were right, Peter. It was Natalie Wood.